Just before the close, Dow Jones news wires reported that EU regulators are recommending a rejection of the merger between NYSE Euronext and Deutsche Boerse. Antitrust officials had expressed concerns that the two exchanges together would have too much power in derivatives trading. Uncertainty around the deal has weighed on shares of both companies in recent months. This rejection isn't the final verdict, which is expected before February 9th, but already shares of the two companies were moving up on the news. Turning to the broader market, stocks finished out at their highest level since late July. The Dow Jones Industrial Average posted a 70-point gain. The S&P 500 index climbed 11 points, and the Nasdaq Composite was up by 25 points. The U.S. stock market got a helping hand from overseas stocks. European markets were up today. Also, the Shanghai index has been booming. It's up almost 4% for the year after falling 18% in 2011. We'll be watching whether that momentum can continue tonight. Monday's earnings report from Alcoa set up an upbeat tone for stocks. In particular, the company's outlook boosted hopes for a strong global economy. Alcoa shares edged up a fraction of a percentage point today. Many analysts continue to point out that chances for better than expected earnings results are high, especially since forecasts got particularly bearish leading up to the beginning of the season. Nevertheless, there were a few retail companies that really disappointed investors on Tuesday. Tiffany slumped 11% after the company lowered its outlook for the fiscal year ending January. The company saw holiday sales weaken in the US and in Europe. And Liz Claiborne lost 13% today after announcing that its CFO is leaving the company for Discovery Communications. The company also issued a disappointing financial outlook.